Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you which Arduino Unos are going to be a good deal in 2020. In a previous video, I mentioned which Arduinos will work in this tutorial, such as all these. But if you go to a website to buy them, you'll find that you might find stuff with much more than this. If we go here, we can see all of this, a lot of different options. And if we go to Amazon and search up Arduino Uno, this is just very simple, whereas this is like $31. And this $31 thing is now they put it at a lightning deal, so it's a really good deal. It comes with the Arduino that I use, as some of this stuff that we could possibly use in a future project, like an LCD, a battery, also some LEDs that we're gonna use in a future project, a lot of wires which we're gonna use in a future project, and a breadboard. So this is an extremely good deal because it's an Amazon choice and it's a lightning deal. Now, if we go down more, we can see Arduino kits. See, don't get this one because it says, let me remind you, as the Arduino Mega, which we do not use in our projects. So do not get this. But there are some other stuff that we could get that is a good choice. Maybe like this one. This is an Arduino Uno, even though it's not labeled as one. It has the breadboard, some wires, resistors, which we're going to be using in a future project. It has good long cable, some wires, a battery plug-in, an LCD which we'll need in the future, and much, much more. It's a very good project. It's a very good thing, and it's $30 right now. There's also, you might find this one. I don't recommend it because it's $21 and it only comes with the Arduino. You should just get like one of these for only $9 more. Now if we go down, we can find some of this. It doesn't come with an Arduino, but it's still a good deal for $20. And you can buy an Arduino for around $10. So this is also a good deal. And there's also other Arduinos that we can look for. I wouldn't really recommend this because you could get it, but we won't be using it. We won't be using the features of this that much. It's $5, but you're better off with just getting the kit. You see, there's even this one, $18, which is really good. As some LEDs that we're going to be needing in future projects. It comes with an Arduino, as a breadboard, and it has a lot of resistors. It comes with a basic starter kit. It comes with some more LEDs and resistors. It also comes with some push buttons and some wires. So if you can get that, it's a really good deal. So any of the options that I just showed you will be a really good deal. Now, if you don't want to buy it from Amazon, you can buy it from the Arduino website. To do this, you can just go to Buy an Arduino, and you can look for boards and modules or kits. For us, we should look for a kit. This is very expensive at $91, but it includes like everything. So if we put English, yep, it's $91 without tax. So that's pretty expensive. I would recommend buying it from Amazon, but from here is also a good deal because this is where the Arduino is from. You can find some stuff. There's like this, which is $60, but it has a multimeter which we're going to be using soon, as a battery and a few other stuff. So these are me personally, If I were you, I would just go for something on Amazon, like a kit. But this is just my opinion. But these are just Arduinos that I recommend. Arduino Unos. If you haven't seen why I recommend Arduino Unos, I'll put a link in the description of my previous video about which Arduinos are going to work with this playlist I'm making. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, and share this with others.